friends, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday, hump day. So what are we planning for today? Well, in our 3-layer cake, we have the first layer, routines, right? Second layer, basic weekly plan. Third layer, zone. So we are on our morning routines, our laundry routine, our paper routine, our after dinner routine, and our before bed routine. Those are the routines we do in the morning, our morning routine, possibly morning routines if you have children. And thirdly, you may have some other type of morning routine like a barnyard, whatever, a garden, that happen really quick every day, the same thing over and over, like collecting eggs, right? Or like pulling some weeds real quick, or deadheading, or whatever you need to do, really quick. Then after that, we're going to do our paper routine while our laundry is going. So those 3 routines happen in the morning. The afternoon routine is after dinner, and then the before bed routine. So you've got those. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go watch my video, How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies, on my homepage, and take the time to spend 40 minutes watching this very important video. All right. After the routines, we're going to step 2. That is our basic weekly plan. On Wednesday, that is planning and desk day. So we're going to start by going to the refrigerator, emptying out everything that doesn't have good food in it anymore. So you're going to take those containers out, wash those containers. Hopefully they're not so bad that you have to throw them away. I've done that many times myself, but if you're doing this every week, you'll prevent that from happening and wasting that money. So soak your containers or put them in your dishwasher or whatever it is you do to clean them, and look in there and see what you're missing. What did you use up this week? A great idea is to get a little magnetic notepad. If you don't already have one, you can get them at the Dollar Tree. Plop it on the outside of your refrigerator, and as you use up the Tabasco sauce, the milk, the eggs, the butter, you write what you've used up in there so you don't have to worry about those daily things. It's right there on the list. Another good idea is to give it a little wipe out, the fridge. You're not going to clean it. You're just going to give it a little wipe out. This isn't our refrigerator cleaning day. It's just a little tidy up, so that when you bring your groceries, you'll have a nice clean place for them to land. All right. The next thing we're going to do is go to our desk. No, not yet. Hang on. We're going to look in the refrigerator. We're going to look in the freezer. We're going to look in the pantry and see what we have in there that we can make a menu item with. So get your paper out for your menus. You're going to make 7 dinner menus. You're going to make sure you have breakfast for 7 days, lunch for 7 days, and snacks for 7 days. And that's how you're going to look in there and see what you've got. Maybe you don't need any snacks. You've got plenty. Maybe you just need some cheese sticks. Maybe you need some fruit. You probably need some fruit. Look and see what meats do you have that you can make a meal with. So you may have 2 or 3 meals that you can make based on what's in your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry. And then make a menu for the other things you want to serve, and make your grocery list from that menu. Breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinners. Make your grocery list. Now go to your desk, look at your budget, look at your grocery list. Figure out what that's going to cost you. You know, because you buy groceries every week, in general, how much that's going to cost. Is it within your budget? If it's really close, make sure if you are bad about going over and you won't put things back, then don't take your checkbook, don't take your debit card or your credit card with you. Take cash. If it's $100, take $100. If you spend $99.99, awesome. If you spend $101, you're going to have to switch something out. Put it back, whatever. Okay, it'll keep you from buying those impulse purchases on the end caps. Okay, next, but be careful, don't lose your money, because there's no replacing cash. That's the only thing about using cash. All right, the next thing is, let me just stop there. So, if losing cash is a big deal to you, which it would be to me, then learn to be responsible with your debit card or credit card and not go over, so you don't have to resort to using cash. But if your inner child is taking over and you're so undisciplined, then make sure you bring cash only. Just saying, until you learn, okay? Next thing is, let's look at the budget. All right, so we're staying in the budget. Make sure you're on budget with everything else. Pay your bills, balance your checking account. That's what you're doing today. I've already done that this morning, so I'm ready to go. Groceries will be my next thing, and I'm within budget on my groceries. I did all of those things. Actually, Larry cleaned the refrigerator for me yesterday, but I don't have to. But you can, it just takes a minute. Okay, and then the last thing is your zone. We're in zone 1. The first was on Easter Sunday. That's the first day of the week. So we're in zone 1. This is one of the rare occasions where we are in zone 1 all week long. So take this occasion to clean the stairway in your house if that's one of the things that hasn't been deep cleaned lately. That's part of zone 1. The foyer, the entryway, the porches. Make sure everything's nice and pretty for the week. You're going to spend 4 days doing it, 15 minutes a day. You can do this. All right, that's it for today. I hope you, oh, whoa, my lion's at work. Sorry, I didn't mean to forget you. Come on, here we go. So living in your new strength, lions at work, you're going to take this lunch hour and do the same thing except clean out the fridge, right? So clean out the fridge this morning before you go to work, real quick. Soak your things if you need to. Just let them soak till you get back. Or throw them in the wash. I put everything in the dishwasher at my house. Next thing, take a picture real quick. Snap a picture of what's in the fridge, freezer, and pantry so that you can kind of get an idea of what you've got when you're making your list at work. And then you can do your budget, pay your bills, and balance your checking account all at work. I've done it for so many years. I know you can too. And make sure you're thinking about on that break, how is that weekly home blessing hour going? Are you getting it done this week, or are you going to save it for Saturday? Have you enjoyed doing it on Saturday? If so, continue. If not, let's go ahead and take care of it every day. 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and you can get everything done every day while your dinner's simmering, right? You can do your zone, 5 or 10 minutes in the zone, maybe 15, depending on how bad it is. And you do that 4 days a week, and then your weekly home blessing item, one of the 6 items. And then Saturday you just have to do 1, or delegate. That's even better. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to do your after dinner routine together with all of us. All the lions are together. We have a strength and unity. We're living in our new strength, and we are so embracing this as the CEO. We're getting that kitchen cleaned up after dinner with the whole family, and then doing our before bed routines. Don't forget to check your planner. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.